Hello learners, welcome back to Jolly John. Let me ask a question. Have you ever stared at your screen and thought, can I really learn programming? Can I actually do this? Well, I have been there too. When I started, I didn't even know where to click. But today I am here and I want to help you take your first confidence step in the world in Python. In our last video, we successfully installed Python. And if you didn't that, give yourself a round of applause. Because you are ready to create something from nothing. And trust me, once you run your first Python program, something will click inside you, you will feel it. Let's open Python IDLE or VS Code anything. If you need how to install VS Code in your system, then please let me know. I will create one video and I will share with you. Okay, let's start with the IDLE in this program. So now write a simple code that is nothing but print hello world and hit enter. And look at that. Your computer just listened to you. You told it to say something and it did. That's real power. This may seem like a small step, but you did realize what just happened. You didn't copy paste. You wrote code. You created something and today you have officially become a programmer. No matter how small that feels right now. Because every expert started exactly where you are right now, including me. Suppose if I told you in the next few videos you will learn how to build logic, make decisions with code, create projects that can change your life, all step by step with me. This is more than tutorial. It's the start of your coding journey and I will walk every step with you. So try to understand here how this code is working. Here if you observe, print is a built-in function in Python. It tells Python to display whatever you put inside the brackets. The text is in quotes because it's a string data type within Python. The simple line introduces you to function, strings, and data and magic of the program. That's great, right? So if this video meant something to you, if you felt a spark, even a small one, please support this journey. Hit that like button, leave a comment saying I am ready to do and subscribe to stay on this beautiful learning path. Together we are going to turn doubt into confidence, one line of code at a time. This is Coding with Jolly John. Happy coding and keep learning. Stay tuned. Bye bye.